Looking for the best girl baby shower decorations? In this video we look at some of the top 3 girl baby shower decorations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Main Event, Pink Felt Letter Board. Pros: felt board available in multiple colors. Can be used as a shower welcome sign, menu, or shower games list. Quality oak wood frame. Sign can be reused for future events. Includes wall mounting hooks, letters, and emojis. Cons: board sits at a slightly higher price point. Bottom line: a beautiful message board that you can use at future events for years to come. At number 2. Emacity Shop, Premium Baby Shower Decorations. Pros: 76-piece set includes banners, balloons, tassels, bingo cards, a balloon pump, paper lanterns, drinking straws, mommy-to-be sash, and more. Plenty of value at a low price point. Pink and gold color scheme includes multiple shades of pink. Cons: it takes quite a bit of time to set everything up. Bottom line: everything you need for a beautiful shower in one convenient package. At number 1. Yara, Premium Baby Shower Decorations Kit. Pros: kit includes paper and foil fans, baby girl banner, and multicolored tassels. Paper fans are durable and don't tear easily. Stunning gold and pink color scheme. Set sits at a low price point. Clear instructions, simple assembly. Cons: included double-sided tape is not the best, you may want to use staples. Bottom line: the perfect kit to add flair to your gift or food table. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.